Sometimes when I'm editing for a long period of time, I need an out. Be away from all the electronics. Find my inspiration in nature. Alright, so a lot of people think they need an expensive camera in order to make beautiful video. You only need an expensive phone. Today we're going to be talking about 6 tips to improve your video work using only your phone. So that's gonna be pretty exciting. Without further ado, let's get started. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Ignace Aleya, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a professional video using only your phone. We'll go over some tips and tricks to make some cinematic footage with just that little pocket camera. If you have a phone with more lenses, usually a different focal length, it would really make your video look a lot more professional because there is a lot more variation going on. Not only that you show each scene with a focal length to enhance your story, but it also shows you like you've put more time and effort in your video by swapping out some lenses. I know that's not possible with any phone, but more phones nowadays have multiple lenses in their body, and that really helps to put some variation in your shots, having nice close-ups, medium shots, and those wide shots. Oh, I really love them wide shots, especially on the new Samsung S10 Plus. I thought I didn't really care much about the new lenses being introduced in the body, but after testing and using the wide angle lens, I've been using it ever since. It's super amazing. So if you have a chance to check it out, definitely give it a try. Number 2, change perspective. A lot of people would hold their phone in the front of their face, recording their kids from an angle pointing down. This is very amateuristic. Lowering the angle to the subject in question or increasing it to the height of their eye level is usually a good start setup. Note that objects also have an eye level, so really play around with that perspective. Anyway, it doesn't have to be only eye level, but you can also record in nice sequence by just lowering it to your waist. It also creates a more unique and creative perspective. Close to the ground can also look very epic and very fast to increase the speed of your movement. Number 3 is to take care of your movement. Movement is not only adding dynamicness to your videos, but it is also used to enhance or clarify your story. If you're recording with your phone, the last thing that you want the audience to think is that you're actually using a phone. So to eliminate that thought, maybe try investing in a smartphone gimbal. I currently have a collaboration with Zhiyun, a brand that is a market leader when it comes to gimbals. They produce amazing gimbals for regular cameras, but they also released a smartphone gimbal like this one. The Zhiyun Smooth 4. Gimbals make your shot look so much more cinematic and smooth that nobody would think of a smartphone. If you would record handheld, it would make a lot of shake just because of the form and weight of a phone. And the in-camera stabilization is good, but combine that with a gimbal and it will be pretty much perfect. So look at the difference between the gimbal and just the regular phone. And the fun thing is that you can also get creative with this. So you can use it as a crane, a dolly, a slider, or just smooth 3D movement for some really unique shots. Especially in combination with the Transmount telescopic monopod with the locking button view. Okay, no, I'm just talking about a regular monopod, but that's actually what's on the box. So yeah, don't ask me why. I actually said it correctly from the first try, so pretty proud of that. Basically, it's a monopod and a tripod in one, which means that you can make nice static shots, which is basically impossible handheld, but you can also do some super creative crane shots. So just check what a high production value this gives. Even for live videos or vertical videos, you can use this gimbal, which makes it really awesome for Instagram, for example. Number 4 is when recording with a phone, you usually use your phone on a daily basis. A lot of people, when filming, forget something super simple yet very important: to clean their lenses. If you haven't cleaned your lens for a while, you'll have a very blurry and ugly image. Just clean it up and it will be 1,000 times sharper and have more contrast. Number 5 is look at the resolution options of your smartphone camera. Some of them have 4K, but you will lose capabilities of the camera stabilization, for example, lose slow motion options, so really pick the resolution that fits best for each scene. So depending on each scene, I record in Full HD or 4K, but I found that the Samsung S10 Plus really shines when I'm recording in 4K. It's just so much sharper and so much crisper, so I prefer using that, but in some occasions I do film in Full HD to have some other benefits from that. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a like. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel for more, and definitely check out our website. We have a bunch of stuff to offer, and if you buy something from the website, you'll help to support this channel. I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.